Hello dear educators, how are you all doing? I'm good. Hope you're all fine. We all have fears. Now, what are the fears of 2025 every teacher is going to face in the academic year? From the AI to say a burnout, the teacher has a few fears. Now, what are the fears? How can you conquer those fears? Hi, I'm Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthi from Teachconnect. I'm going to let you know in this video what are the fears which a teacher will face and also what are those myth busters. What is a lie and what is a truth? Now, for example, from AI to the burnout, teachers are going to face a lot of difficulties, a lot of stressful moments. Then, if you are considering AI replacing the role of that as the first one, will AI replace the role of teachers? AI cannot replace the role of teachers. Look at AI as a collaborator and not a competitor. That's important. Learn AI, be with AI, embrace AI. It will never be a competitor to you. It will only help you in taking the lessons forward and try and see that AI will ease your work and doesn't complicate your work at all. Coming to the second point, which is a myth, that is burnout from overload. We normally have a feeling that a burnout will always be there for a teacher. It's only a warning that you might go into that phase of a burnout. Take care of yourself. Spend 1 hour on yourself. Do some meditation, do some yoga, work out. It's there. You will find time. Just work on it. You can always find time. Some stretches, work out. It's there. You will find time. Just work on it. You can always find time. And the third thing which teachers would be worried about is the fear of not being tech savvy enough. We all want to be tech savvies, but we might be worried that we are not enough tech savvies. Yes, some apps are to be learnt, some tools are to be used, so we should get an acquaintance and an awareness with a few tools. Grow one tech skill a week. It is not difficult. You will feel that it's easier to use a tool because the tools are all menu driven. They are never coding done in any of the tools. That's why apply these menu driven tools for yourself. They are very simple. Try one after the other. You will find that is one after the other. The fourth one is losing student engagement. Don't try to overwhelm yourselves with so many activities. Master yourself on any 5 activities, 5 types of activities, 5 genres of activities. Maybe you can take toy-based learning, field trip, value integrated learning, and you can have art integrated learning and experiential learning. These 5 will definitely be yours. Embrace those 5. Use them the whole academic year. You yourself will see that you're going to use every tool, every way, everywhere. You can master these 5 tools. And the fifth one, losing the why. Why? Let us reclaim your why by revisiting what lights you up. You're under pressure to perform. Why are you under pressure to perform? The purpose should be a bigger one than the pressure which you are facing. You have a purpose of going into the classroom, hand-holding the student and put them onto a higher level. These are the 5 important things where you feel that these are the myths. You have to overcome these fears. There is no choice about it. Then do it one after the other. You will see the consistency will definitely pay off. Thanks for watching. Once again, hi, I'm Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthi from Teachconnect. Keep watching my videos and you try to make notes out of these videos so that it's easy for you to refer back and upskill yourself. Thanks for watching.